Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
कोणी लॉ ब्रेक करतात आणि कितें करतात किंवा सगळे सर्वेलन्स जे आसा ते सगळे ह्या हातूंतल्यान प्रोजेक्टाक सगळे गव्हर्मेंटाक त्या डिपार्टमेंटा हातूंतल्यान हे हातूंतल्यान मेळूंक शकतले आणि एक वॉच ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टीचेर उरतलो ज्यो काही इलिगल गोष्टी जातात ताचेर वॉच उरतलो आणि हे वापरून म्हाका दिसता काही गोष्टी आमी काही गुन्हे जातात काही हे जातात कमी करूं सुरू आतां स्मार्ट सिटी पुरतोच केल्लो आसा फुडें सरकारान प्रोजेक्ट जसो स्मार्ट सिटी पुरतोच आसा राज्य सरकाराचेर निश्चितपणे वाडोवंक शकता सगळे
Tomorrow, when we are talking about getting surveillance on the beaches, whether we put our own command control room or we talk to the police and the smart city and allow this to integrate, these are things which can come for discussion because it's a lovely place which they have made. And this needs to be used to the maximum possible way to ensure that Goa is given that tourist destinations are safe and secure दितले that this becomes the backbone to assist the main functioning of police.
रस्त्यार जेन्ना आमी हे जाताले कोणी तरी ओवरटेक करतालो कितें स्पीड हे करताले डिटेक्ट करपाक डिफिकल्ट जातलें हांगा बसून सगळें कळटलें कोण डिटेक्ट करता आनी चलन कशें त्या मनशाक व्हरून हातीन दिवपाची गरज ना ऑटोमॅटिकली ताच्या घरा वतले ताका.
We've seen the system there. The system there is working brilliantly. So I know it's aided a lot of the police officers. Even today also now, a lot of the officers are currently still using the system to detect crime and everything.
Supposing an accident takes place, who is at fault? That can be easily proved in a court of law. Otherwise, people keep on contesting their fault in the court of law. At the same time, it would also help discipline the motorists because they don't understand that somebody, like we say, Big Brother is watching. So his movements will be captured and in real time the challan would be generated and sent to his residence.